Hello, namaste. Welcome to my another video. I have total 40 chickens right now, and small chicken are here, and they are eating food. And another bigger chicken are here. They are full now, and there is another chicken is trying to search some fresh air. It is summer season right now and a little bit hot here, but they can survive because local chicken are very immune and they are eating here food, oil, and my local chickens are very healthy right now. Sometimes they will be sick and you have to treat properly, and you have to keep at night inside the hot coop. They must be cold. You have to save them from cold. And right now at the day they will be fine, but at night they may be cold, so you have to take care of them with the cold, and you have to keep them fresh water, and you have to give them fresh food. And I give them uh, vegetable food and small pieces, and they can eat well. Oh, hello, they're happy now. One is there. They're full of food and resting here. This one is my 2-month male rooster, a mini small rooster. Oh, another one also came. They are very healthy right now. They are not afraid of me. Come, look at this. This is not afraid me. Oh, he is very happy now, standing on my hand. Okay, go there. They are feeling very happy. And here is my male chicken, and another is there, is very fine. And this one is my favorite, and I want to raise them for meat and some I want to sell them after growing well. The bigger one are 6 months right now, and smaller are 2 months, growing very well. And okay guys, I will show my chicken another video, and if you like my video you can subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, thank you guys. I will come to another videos. Thank you, keep supporting me.